Hi everybody, welcome to our channel, or welcome back to our channel.
If we're new.
If you're dorks, that's the answer to that one. Listen, just while we're driving down the road, I think it was last night, but it could have been the night before, I was talking to Mom about doing videos in the car, and I said, with us living out here in the country, you know, I'm going to end up taping myself running over a deer. And now I'm paranoid because I said that I'm going to do it. So keep your fingers crossed you don't end up watching me hit a deer in this video.
Yeah.
But anyway, welcome back to our channel. I hope you had a great weekend. We had an interesting weekend, didn't we?
Yep.
Oh, I made the best dinner last night. I don't think anybody else was impressed with it as I was.
I was impressed with it.
How about you, Ben?
What?
Did you like dinner last night?
It was actually pretty good. We just ran out of bread too soon.
I know, we're going to get some hamburger buns today. I put a great big shoulder butt roast, pork of course, in the crock pot, cooked it for like 12 hours or something, and then pulled pork with a little bit of barbecue sauce and made sandwiches.
Yep.
That's what we're having for dinner again tonight. So I was very happy about it. It was delicious. It's a good thing you were coughing. I thought you were laughing at me there for a minute.
I was coughing because an allergy hit me. Well, today, I was planning on doing something, but I delayed it to tomorrow because I'd have plenty of time to cook it earlier tomorrow.
What?
I'm going to take one of my Roma's pizzas as a lunch.
Cool.
Of course, I can't take one of our pans because all our pans are too big.
Well, you don't have a real oven, do you?
We have a toaster oven.
Oh, do they have a pan that'll hold it?
Yep.
Are you allowed to use it?
I hope I am. Well, they let other people use pans, so I'm pretty sure I can. Like Zach brought something without a pan, they let me use one.
You gonna take chips and a dessert too? Because that little pizza doesn't seem like enough, really.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah. Chris still has a nice big pile of desserts.
Yep.
Most of them are Halloween themed, aren't they?
2 of them are Halloween. I'm on the last of my fall ones.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Just checking. Just
Yep.
curious. So, how was work today?
It was fine. We got to clean some vans today, though.
On the outside?
Outside and inside.
It's a little chilly.
That's why I brought this vest today, because I figured I'd need it.
Well, you go right on ahead of me, mister. You better hope the cops ain't sitting up there where they like to sit.
Yep.
I was speeding. To be honest.
Yep.
Anyway, Ben, tell what you and I did and Chris helped with.
In regards to,
My room.
she did her seasonal rotation.
Yep.
And then we brought in a rack.
The way he tells it, man, it's an interesting story.
And then I threatened to hang Kessifer on the rack.
Point over here. See this place where that driveway is? The cops sit there to grab
Speeders.
speeders and stuff, yeah. Okay, I decided that I wanted to get my winter clothes out, and particularly my Halloween clothes. So I was like, we might as well get all of them out, except for Christmas. So Ben went in and we cleaned out my closet, and we went through all the hanging clothes, didn't we?
Yep.
Barf.
Yep, we went through all of them. I didn't keep that much of it, did I?
I'm surprised.
Yeah. And the 2 things that I kept, I went ahead and put into my everyday rotation. 2 of the things anyway. Because what is the point of having something if you're not going to wear it? So I put those into my everyday rotation, and hardly kept anything back for special. So I sent Bonnie a faux leather jacket
Yep.
and two garbage bags with purses in them. That was a lot of purses to get rid of, wasn't it?
Why do you get rid of that many purses?
Oh,
Because we ate you.
because Ben bitches about them. Makes it easier to get to what I like the best. You know, just reasons like that.
She'll rebuild though, Ben.
Yes, you will.
Better not.
I love my purses, don't I?
Yep.
She has a devastatingly harmful purse fetish.
They were so dusty because they've just been hanging on the back of my door and for years, for like literally years. And we never even used that door. So it was like, for the love of Pete, do something. So that's what we did.
Oh, you hear what I said
Yep.
about you, right, Mom?
What, honey?
I said that you have a devastatingly harmful purse fetish.
I should have counted to see how many purses I kept. Okay, Ben, pull up my app and get out $4.
It's weird how the camera pans the card that makes it look like it has the hourglass windshield.
That is weird.
Because the bottom curves up towards the left, curves down on the right, and curves down on the left and up on the right on the upper part. It makes it look like an hourglass almost.
This human resource machine.
So, anyway, my point was that I only use my closet for storage. I don't use it to put clothes in, really. Not everyday clothes, just fancy clothes. So, and Mom's dresses and stuff like that. So, I keep a clothing rack in front of it.
Mm,
And my rack died, didn't it?
yes.
I did.
It started leaning like this, and it was to the point where it wanted to fall over. What, Ben?
Nugs me.
No.
4-piece Tookie Nugs, 99-cent per purchase.
Well, you got to share them.
I'll light mine.
Yes. It's a secret. Hold on.
Hi, we can go here.
I need a 4-piece chicken nugget with no sauce and a large natural lemonade.
Anything else?
No, that's it.
All right, it's gonna be $5.63.
So anyway,
Or is it?
it ain't. So anyway, who's Will?
Poor Will.
Poor Will. And I'm gonna need a receipt today. Anyway, my rack, it was leaning over, and part of the connectors that held the rods together was cracked, right, Chris?
Yep.
Here, Benny.
We all good on that code?
Yep, we're good. So, I thought about, thank you, duct taping it together at the corners to make it sturdier. But then we decided that that wasn't really going to do
Your
it.
nails are cute this time.
Oh, I'm ready for
love-
Halloween.
I know. I'm going Wednesday.
Mm,
I always love to see your nails update whenever mine do.
Thank you.
We'll see you later. Thank you.
Yep.
Anyway, so I couldn't use that rack anymore. So I said, well, take it outside and sit it by the road. Maybe somebody will know how to fix it. And they can just have it. And we'll run over to Walmart and get me a new one, right, guys?
Right.
So we get ready right then and there. They take it out. We get ready and we go out to the car to run over to the Walmart, and that clothing rack was already gone. It had been like no time. Somebody saw that bad boy and snatched it, didn't they?
Yep.
Hey,
Ugh.
if they want something that constantly makes itself lopsided, I say go ahead.
You know, there's ways to fix it. It's just we didn't have the supplies or frankly the know-how. You know, it just wasn't going to work for us.
Mm-hmm.
So hopefully they'll be able to fix it and get some use out of it. Tell them about my new one, Chris.
It's differently built, but it has the same type of connectors on the sides. Except this one has a locking mechanism, so if it decides to break down, you can unlock it, take it off.
Huh. It's the same basic design, but it seems to be built sturdier.
Yeah.
So, anyway, fingers crossed. I hope it is.
Yeah.
It's also white.
Yeah, and it's white. My other one was silver with black connectors, and this one's silver with white connectors, and the whole bottom half is white.
Yep.
I wonder if that's going to scrape off if I use that hanging rod.
I don't know.
Oh. Anyway, if anybody's interested, I'm going to be putting some clothes up for sale on Facebook here, probably tomorrow or Wednesday. I'm not sure which day. So, just let me know. So let's see. That was our big, exciting thing this weekend, wasn't it?
Yep.
I'm gonna take a cut of her proceeds because I helped her with all this.
Or so he thinks.
You mean Chris just start laughing? Oh.
I did about $5 of work assembling that thing, so if anyone's getting the
Well, I
money,
did
it's
all the
the
closet
cut.
work.
It's me.
No, if somebody worked the hardest, it was Ben. I have to. I have to give him that.
Yeah.
Sorry, I was drinking. So, what do you got coming up this week?
Dance is Wednesday or tomorrow, I forget which. Friday is supposed to be the zoo of green team, unless we're rained out, and it's a snack with green team.
Got it?
That's it for this week, yeah.
So the dance. What about your girlfriend?
I don't know yet. She doesn't know either.
Oh well, you're not going, huh?
She'll know next week, so I'll ask her
Oh, I thought you
Saturday.
said it was tomorrow or Wednesday.
Not the Halloween dance.
What are you talking about then?
The dance studio.
Are you guys getting ready for your Christmas yet?
Yes, we're starting to listen to the songs last week. We're going to start singing either this week or next week, depending on how it goes.
What was the one? Oh, I want a hippopotamus for Christmas.
It was a hip-hop redo, yeah.
Yep, they're not using the original.
They never used the original, which was kind of weird.
I like the original. Play the original, dagnabbit.
I've been trying for years to get them to add Last Christmas by Wham in it.
I wonder why they don't.
They'd rather do covers.
I don't know.
No, I know why. By the time I learn where to go, it's too late. I've already decided by July, and I usually figure out by July.
Okay, Ben. Tell about the new product you want to try from Walmart.
The new product I want to try from Walmart?
Yeah. New to us. It's not a brand new product.
Why can't I seem to draw it out of my back of my mind?
McDonald's?
Oh, that was me I told her about.
Was it you?
Yeah.
Why did I think it was Ben?
I don't know, but I told
Because
Mom that I read an internet article where Pilgrim's Pride cloned McDonald's chicken nugget recipe according to a chicken nugget cook at one McDonald's. Well, he cooks all the food, but you get the idea. And he said Pilgrim's Pride exactly copied Chicken McNuggets, and that's a Walmart exclusive brand. So if you like McDonald's and wonder how can I have it at home, that's how. Go buy Pilgrim's Pride chicken nuggets at Walmart and cook them.
There you go. Save you a trip to Mickey D's.
Speaking of them, guess what? Apparently they might be threatened.
What?
Because I got this notification from them that says, to the effect of, $2, 10-piece chicken nuggets or Big Mac.
With what?
Well, I'll have to find out.
You know there's a catch.
Yeah, The catch is you have to have a golden fiddle to avoid Satan getting your soul.
Mm.
Okay, that was morbid, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You have to choose one. Is the only catch, and it's only today.
And you don't have to use your points.
You just have to choose whether you want it as a mobile order or use it at the restaurant with the restaurant code.
And that's McDonald's.
That's McDonald's.
Well, should we, on our way over to the Kroger, should we swing through there and get a 10-piece nugget?
That would be good.
Sounds good to me.
We can do that.
Yeah, that's good.
Who gets that?
You guys have to share.
Yep.
How evil is that?
Oh, goodness.
Well, 7 is much more than 2.
Yep.
And it's a bit more than 5, to be honest.
Yep.
Hello, car. Thank you for moving.
Yep. Well, I'm in the up mood today. I don't know how I'm agreeing with everything.
So, Facebook, what kind of chicken nuggets do you guys like? I know Bonnie's going to say Wendy's.
What kind of what?
Chicken nuggets do you like?
I can't really say. A good chicken nugget is very good.
See, I'm not a chicken nugget girl. I'm a chicken tender girl. There's a difference.
Yep.
So
Where are we at?
McDonald's.
all that talk about chicken nuggets made her fall into
Oh, so we're
dinner.
going to Kroger's next?
After this, yeah.
Wow.
We have to get some hamburger buns and bread.
Okay. And Ben has to go in the restaurant, or can we do it through drive-thru?
We just tell them the code. Wherever.
What's our time looking like? Shouldn't be very far.
17:19.
Much farther than I thought.
Yep.
Oh, look.
What?
This might be the first time I have actually seen the McDonald's sign look something like that. Must be the angle.
Yep.
It is such a shame that they went with the sort of a boxy design. Because the little topper that had the super large french fries is gone.
Yeah. You know what sign I miss? And it's the idiot who destroyed it. There's a special place in hell for him.
What?
The McMoon sign.
That was for Mac tonight.
Yeah, the Mac Tonight sign. I miss that sign. As I said, there's a special place in hell for the idiot who hit it.
It still kind of trips my brain up when we pull into the one over there where we usually go, the one in town.
Yeah.
Not that this isn't in town, but you know what I mean. And there's no play place.
They tore them down en masse because,
Because they were stupid.
yeah, they were stupid and
Some McDonald's locations do still have well-maintained play places, but those that couldn't took them out.
I'm
yeah,
telling
they
you.
said it was too unsafe to maintain it all the time, so that was their
They
excuse.
took out all the things for the kids to play on. They took out all the fun, bright colors. Now it's gray and tan and brown.
Yep.
It's just depressing. Who the hell wants a depressing McDonald's?
You know
people who
what?
want
I
Chipotle.
remember them doing at one McDonald's once. Having TVs with GameCubes hooked up to them.
Yeah, they used to really be kid-centric. And then they wonder why they're not making as much profit as they used to. But they actually are. Don't let them lie to you.
Yep. What's next? They get rid of the ice cream?
I don't know, but
I would not be surprised if most McDonald's locations decide that they're done with ice cream because they always seem to take down their ice cream machines.
I'm thinking, is this the only McDonald's we go to where the drive-thru line is right there by the, what do you call it? Where you sit to eat?
By
The dining area.
Dining area, thank you.
Yep, I think it is.
This is the only one where it starts off at the dining area before it opts into the drive-thru. Whereas the other one, the dining area wraps around in such a way that you pass it going to the drive-thru.
Yep.
Okay, gentlemen.
Yeah.
Sauce?
Buffalo kill.
Nope.
Buffalo kill.
I wish we had no windshield.
Okay, why?
I'd go where a Ford Mercury people get out of here and spit on that Chevy in front of us. I am horrible for saying that, aren't I?
Mm-hmm.
Knowing me, I do that. And he says, "You spit on my car, take this." And he rams us from in front by going in reverse right fast, huh?
Kick your ass.
We could actually abuse the thing to our advantage by saying it's his fault. Huh. Oh, wait, no. They'd have to look.
Yep, they have cameras out in McDonald's. It'll be our fault for spitting on a car, causing a wreck that way.
It'll be his fault for hitting us.
I'm trying to read the names on the new sauces and I can't.
They're weird sauces.
The only
One
Mambo
is
and
spicy
sweet and
jelly.
Jam.
jam. I could see the jam one. What was it again?
Mambo.
Mambo. What's the one below it?
Sweet and spicy jam.
That's above it.
Mambo.
Below it, I don't
What the
know.
hell
what it
does
is.
mambo taste like? I mean, I thought it was a dance. Mambo number 5.
It tastes
I don't know.
like, why don't I shoot whoever came up with that idea?
So there's one below Mambo, you said.
There's just the 2. You know I want to sing that song now, right?
Right. But we can't. We might get copyright struck.
And the funny thing is, we're just here for nugs.
And they're taking forever.
They're having trouble catching the chickens.
They're
You'd
in
rather
choppers.
having trouble catching everything.
The chickens and choppers.
Yeah. They're covering the cows with guns.
Again, if you haven't seen the video and listened to that song, Cows with Guns, go do it. You're missing out.
I think it's the dumbest song ever conceived.
You like it.
No, I don't.
Yeah,
You
he
do
does.
too.
No, I don't.
He does too.
You do too.
No, I don't.
2 against 1, you do.
Your mother has
What can I get
spoken.
for you?
I had 10-piece chicken nugget with buffalo sauce, and I have a code.
Okay, what's the code?
2669.
2669.
Okay, would you like anything else?
No, thank you.
Alright. You're gonna pull around.
$2.
Yep.
It said $2.
Yep. Yep, it did. And excuse you.
Someone ate a big baby.
I could have swore you liked cows with guns.
I didn't.
You
I think it's the dumbest song ever conceived. Seriously.
It's so cute.
He likes the cows with guns, especially the witty
Did you
comment
get the
about
$2?
I can't get you 2, I'll get you 5.
You should be able to get me 2.
I don't know why, but it's been swiped away that cow that's packing the Nuzu.
Do you want him to try to find $2?
No, he's clearly being lazy.
I may have actually put it in the wrong pocket, but I'm too lazy to figure it out.
Figure it out.
Nope, not in the wrong pocket.
I hate it when you put money in the wrong pocket.
Yeah.
I have money pockets for a reason.
$2.
Just a
Maybe
minute.
we should hunt him down and gut him like a fish.
Like, hunt
If
who
you'd like to
down?
fax me, press the star key.
Can I get a receipt?
This printer doesn't work, but you can export the next window.
Okay, thank you.
Did you already say at the end?
What?
If you'd like to fax me, press the star key.
Yeah. Grinch.
Now, everybody,
What?
I
Oh.
am putting this
What?
money in
Right there.
the
Bread.
money pocket.
We both got each other at the same time. You saw that, right?
Yep. But I started it.
I'm glad it wasn't throw a phone red and he
Oh.
threw the phone in the person's head.
No.
Uh-oh.
Or throw buggy red, as it would be called, you know?
How about throw a purse red?
Oh, now quit it. That's my purse. Don't be fooling around with it.
Yeah, you can kill somebody with that purse, man.
Hey, it's not that heavy.
Well, of all the change, it's a deadly weapon without being heavy.
It is kind of heavy.
It wouldn't
I have
be
to
the weight,
admit.
it would be the velocity.
Yeah. You could take someone's head off and have it roll down the street like a bowling ball without trying.
And then their body would be running along, kicking it like a football.
That's not how it works. If you decapitate someone, their body falls down. Right, Mom?
Right?
Why is this line not moving?
She's like, why are my kids morbid, right?
Yes, but mostly I'm irritated about the line.
Because she's expecting morbid on Spoopy Month.
Which reminds me, you'll never guess what they called a skeleton kicking its own skull in Castlevania.
Okay, you're right. I'll never guess.
It's called Yorick, because it's a skeleton eternally chasing
Alas
its own
for-
head.
Alas, poor Yorick. I knew him well. Hamlet held up. It was Hamlet, wasn't it? Held up the skull of Yorick.
Yorick, yeah.
Shoot, now I'm wondering about that. You know, it's been a long time since high school.
Yeah.
Could I get a receipt, please? There were out of paper out there. What? They said you could print one. I know we can. All right, thank you. I hate it when they will stand there and lie to your face.
Yep.
Just because he didn't know how to do it doesn't mean you can't do it. Anyway, ask back.
Oh, sorry. And I'm not a donkey.
I didn't call you a donkey.
You usually do.
I called him a donut.
Oh, I thought I heard donkey.
Well, now you're a donkey because you heard donkey instead of donut.
No hush, or I'm gonna want a donut.
Yeah.
Donut, 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 donut.
I could go for like a dozen Krispy Kremes.
Yeah.
By the way, they're crossing over with Scooby-Doo.
Well, don't tell me that. I love Scooby Doo.
Hey, Mom.
Our last car was named Velma.
What's this car's name?
Crowley.
What?
Crowley.
Why do you name it Crowley?
Because it's big and black and beautiful and powerful. And because that was the name of the king of hell, the demon who was the king of hell in the TV show Supernatural.
Your five are in the bag.
Okay.
Oops, I forgot my phone. Go pass me one.
No, suffer.
If you want to wait to eat until we get to Kroger's, I'm going to kill the video here in a minute, and then you have more hands.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay. You got anything to add, Nugget Boy?
I'm about to eat now.
No, I don't have anything to add either.
I can't really add anything other than I'm about to find out what happens if I eat a McDonald's nug after I've eaten Wendy's nugs.
Which one do you think you like better?
They're both actually pretty good. I have to try more varieties before I can pick a fave.
I don't know what happened. The Wendy's nug will collide with McDonald's nug in his stomach, and then we'll see him explode.
And then they'll have a war.
No, it'll cause a nuclear explosion where Ben used to be.
I know Chris, he would be there like, let's go to City Barbecue and get their chicken tenders.
Oh, those are good tenders.
They're so good. I am chicken tender hungry.
If I make another $10, that's what I'm doing with it.
I'm taking half of it, so you know.
No, I'm getting it all for me.
Nope.
I'll make sure to go Bonnie
Nope,
so I get
nope,
it and
nope.
you don't.
Nope, Bonnie, don't listen. Don't listen, Bonnie. Okay, thank you all for joining us. I hope you'll come back and see us on Wednesday.
She has nugs too.
Yeah, Sheets has nuggets too. And in the meantime, you know, have a good week. Have a little fun. Get
Live
ready
little.
for Halloween. Live it up. We will talk to you Wednesday. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.